Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find quotient and remainder of two numbers. So let's start this program. In the first or in the second line, the program starts by prompting the user to input two numbers. In the first line, it prompts the numerator, the number to be divided, and in the second line, denominator, the number by which the numerator will be divided. Here, the int function converts the user input into an integer. Now, moving on to the next line, here we will check the division by 0, as division by 0 is mathematically undefined, and in Python attempting it raises a zero division error. So to handle this, the program includes a conditional check, as if the denominator is 0, the program prints a warning and skips the division process, as it prints division by 0 is not allowed. Now in the else part, here in the first line, quotient calculated using the floor division operator, which performs integer division and returns only the whole number part of division result. And in the next line, here the remainder calculates using the modulus operator only the whole number part of the division result. Now in the next line, the result of the calculation are displayed using an F string for formatting, which allows embedding variables directly into the strings. Now let us see how this program works, as the user is prompted to enter a numerator and a denominator. If the numerator is 0, the program output division by 0 is not allowed, as it is given before. And if the denominator is not 0, the program computes the quotient, the whole number part of division, and remainder, the leftover value, when the numerator is divided by the denominator. The results are displayed. So let's check this program. I'm entering the numerator as 45 and I'm entering the denominator as 10. Hence, the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 5. So, thanks for watching this video.